What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I showed you some golf ball markers that I ordered from this company, golfballs.com, and I mentioned that they had the poker chip golf ball markers available as well, and I thought, you know what, some people like those. I personally like the smaller, flatter golf ball markers so that you can roll your putt over it without kind of interfering with the putt, but I know some people love the big poker chip one. So I ordered some to show you what they look like, and here it is. This is the poker chip right here. It is your standard poker chip. Feels like clay or whatever they make it out of now. Plastic, I'm sure. But looks nice. You can actually get these in a variety of different colors. So I think red and yellow and gray. I got it in the black here because my logo is black and white. Now, I uploaded a logo that had the circular part centered. You can see it's just a little off-centered. No big deal. No big whoop. Good enough for government work kind of a thing. But looks pretty good. If you are fastidious about having it perfectly centered or OCD about it, just remember this is going to trigger that. So kind of keep that in mind. However, what I noticed on the poker chip is that you can upload two different images, I think without changing the price, for the two different sides. And so I uploaded this logo, and you can see here, again, perfectly centered, but just a little bit of space down here where the circle doesn't quite meet that. But this is an older logo. I don't use this for much, but it's a little cleaner, easier to read than my current logo. You can see there. But it's printed on there nicely. There is a little pixelation, but I'm not sure what this is. It's some sort of like heat treat because it's standard paint, and it's on there pretty good. It's not going to scratch off or anything. So I'm not sure how they do it, if they kind of print these middle parts and then press them in there. But if you are looking for a poker chip golf ball marker because you love these, you can definitely get them at golfballs.com. I will also say they are magnetic, so I think they've got some sort of metal in there or something, because if I put this up to a magnetic golf ball holder, it totally sticks to it without a problem. It sticks very well. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to these in the description below. They're not that expensive. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.